66 million years ago, a giant asteroid crashed into Earth. Imagine a rock larger than Mount Everest hurtling towards our planet at unimaginable speed. This wasn't just a big rock, it was a planet killer. The impact happened near Chicxulub, Mexico. The impact unleashed unimaginable forces, instantly reshaping our planet. Earthquakes of unbelievable magnitude ripped across the globe, triggering volcanic eruptions on a scale never seen before. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The heat from the blast ignited wildfires that swept across continents. The air itself became superheated, killing anything that couldn't find shelter. The initial impact was only the beginning of the disaster. The impact threw trillions of tons of molten rock and dust into the atmosphere. This debris rained down upon the Earth, turning the sky into a fiery inferno. Imagine a rain of molten glass, each droplet setting fire to anything it touched. Forests burned, oceans boiled, and the air itself became thick with ash and toxic fumes. The Earth was transformed into a hostile and unforgiving world. The impact triggered tsunamis, giant waves that towered miles high. These tsunamis raced across the oceans, devastating coastlines and drowning everything in their path. No corner of the Earth was safe from the devastation. The dust and sulfur injected into the atmosphere by the impact blocked out the sun. A long and dark winter settled upon the Earth. Temperatures plummeted, and photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, ground to a halt. Without sunlight, plants died, plant-eating dinosaurs starved. Predatory dinosaurs, deprived of their prey, soon followed. The food chain, the delicate balance of life that had existed for millions of years, collapsed. The oceans too were affected. The lack of sunlight killed off plankton, the tiny organisms that form the base of the marine food chain. Fish, marine reptiles, and other creatures that depended on plankton perished. The reign of the dinosaurs, which had lasted for over 180 million years, came to an end. The mighty sauropods, the fearsome tyrannosaurs, the swift raptors, all gone. The impact at Chicxulub had extinguished these magnificent creatures from the face of the Earth, but life, as it always does, found a way. Small, furry creatures, our mammalian ancestors, proved more adaptable to the harsh conditions. They burrowed underground, scavenged for scraps, and survived. The extinction of the dinosaurs created an opportunity for mammals to evolve and diversify. From these humble beginnings, a new world would emerge, a world dominated by mammals, a world that would eventually give rise to our own species. Section 5. Lost Worlds. Clues from the fossil record. In this section we delve into the mysteries hidden within the layers of the Earth, where ancient stories are etched in stone. The story of the dinosaur extinction is written in stone, in the fossil record. These fossils are like pages in a history book, revealing secrets of a world long gone. By studying fossils, scientists have pieced together the events that led to the demise of the dinosaurs. Each fossil discovered adds a new piece to the puzzle, helping us understand the catastrophic events that wiped out these magnificent creatures. Fossils tell us about the diversity of dinosaur life before the impact and the sudden disappearance of these animals afterward. They provide a snapshot of the rich variety of species that once roamed the Earth, and the abrupt end that came with the asteroid impact. The fossil record also reveals biases. It's important to recognize that not all organisms have an equal chance of becoming fossils. The conditions must be just right for preservation. Not all organisms have an equal chance of becoming fossils. Creatures with hard shells or bones are more likely to be preserved than those with soft bodies. Creatures that live in environments where sediment is deposited quickly, such as rivers and lakes, are more likely to be preserved. These environments provide the perfect conditions for fossilization, where remains can be quickly buried and protected from decay. This means our understanding of dinosaur diversity might be skewed towards certain types of environments. We might have a more complete record of dinosaurs that lived near water sources, while those in other habitats remain a mystery. There are likely many dinosaur species that we will never know about because their remains were not preserved. The fossil record is incomplete, and many gaps remain in our knowledge of ancient life. Each new discovery, however, brings us closer to understanding the full story of the dinosaurs. Section 6. The Dinosaur Next Door. A world of possibilities. What if the asteroid had missed? What if the dinosaurs had survived? It's a question that has captivated scientists, writers, and dreamers for generations. Imagining a world where dinosaurs still roam the Earth is a tantalizing exercise in speculation. Without the asteroid impact, dinosaurs would have continued to evolve. Perhaps they would have developed even larger sizes or evolved new and more complex social structures. Maybe some species would have taken to the air, becoming the dominant flying creatures. Imagine encountering a herd of triceratops while on a morning jog, or watching flocks of pterosaurs soaring above skyscrapers. This alternate reality, while purely hypothetical, allows us to explore the boundless possibilities of evolution. Section 7. A new balance, coexistence, and competition. In this hypothetical world where dinosaurs survived, they would have had to share the planet with mammals. This coexistence would not have been a simple matter of living side by side. Instead, it would have involved a complex web of interactions, both competitive and cooperative, that would shape the destinies of both groups. This coexistence would have led to fascinating interactions and adaptations. Dinosaurs and mammals would have had to navigate a world where their survival depended on their ability to adapt to each other's presence. Mammals, under constant pressure from dinosaur predators, might have evolved enhanced senses. They would need to be ever vigilant, developing acute hearing, sharp eyesight, and a heightened sense of smell to detect approaching danger, or develop new ways to evade detection. This could include sophisticated camouflage techniques, burrowing behaviors, or even nocturnal lifestyles to avoid daytime predators. Dinosaurs, too, would have been affected by the presence of mammals. They would have had to adapt their hunting strategies to catch these elusive prey. Competition for resources might have driven the evolution of smaller, more agile dinosaur species. These dinosaurs would need to be quick and nimble to catch the fast-moving mammals. Some dinosaurs might have even evolved to prey on mammals, developing specialized hunting techniques and physical adaptations to become more effective predators, leading to an evolutionary arms race. As dinosaurs became better hunters, mammals would have had to become even more adept at evasion and survival. This constant interplay between dinosaurs and mammals would have shaped the trajectory of evolution, creating a dynamic and ever-changing ecosystem, leading to a world vastly different from our own. The balance of power between these two groups would have influenced the development of countless other species and ecosystems. It's a world where intelligence might have evolved along different pathways, with both dinosaurs and mammals developing unique strategies for survival, perhaps even leading to the rise of sentient dinosaurs. These intelligent beings could have developed complex social structures, communication methods, and even rudimentary technologies, creating a civilization unlike anything we can imagine. Section 8. The Legacy of the Asteroid, Our Debt to a Cataclysm. The story of our existence is intricately tied to a cosmic event that occurred millions of years ago. The asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs was a tragedy on an unimaginable scale. It was a cataclysmic event that reshaped the Earth's surface and altered the course of life forever. But it was this very tragedy that paved the way for our own existence. In the aftermath of the devastation, new opportunities arose for the surviving species. Without the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals would likely have remained small and insignificant creatures. The dominance of the dinosaurs had kept mammals in the shadows, but their sudden absence allowed mammals to flourish and evolve. The Chicxulub impact serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life. This massive crater, located in the Yucatan Peninsula, is a testament to the sheer force of the asteroid that struck Earth. It teaches us that even the most dominant creatures can be brought down by forces beyond their control. The dinosaurs, once rulers of the Earth, were no match for the cosmic event that sealed their fate, but it also highlights the resilience of life and its remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. In the wake of destruction, life found a way to recover and rebuild, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. We are, in a very real sense, the children of the asteroid. Our very existence is intertwined with this ancient event, and the fossils we study today are a direct link to that distant past. Our existence is a testament to the power of chance and the unpredictable nature of evolution. The evolutionary tree with its diverse branches tells the story of how life adapted and diversified in the aftermath of the asteroid impact. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember the asteroid, for it was a cataclysm that ultimately led to us. It serves as a reminder of our place in the universe and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.